Hello everyone and welcome back to lecture number 8. I am Karan Punorkar and today we are discuss two powerful sorting algorithms, that is first one is a quick sort and heap sort. Both of these are widely used in real world scenarios and are essential to understand when solving complex problems. So we will explain you the logic and go through the code as well and see the example to make things clear. So let's begin with what at the end of this lecture what you understand. The first one is how quick sort works using divide and conquer. The next one is the mechanism of heap sort using a binary heap, and the third one that is real world application and their differences as well. So without wasting our time, let's get started. The first one is quick sort. It is a divide and conquer algorithm that work by choosing a pivot partitioning the array into two basic. That is first one is a left side contain, that is left side contain, and the second one is the right side. Okay. Make sure the left side contain element smaller than the pivot and the right side contain element greater than the pivot. Okay. After partitioning, we recursively sort the left and then right part. So first solve left, then right. Okay, so without wasting our time, we will directly move toward our editor, and I already solved the code, like I already write the code in our editor. So I will explain that code you in one by one format. Okay. So this is the code of a quick sort. That is it's basically divided into mostly two part. That is the partition. Okay, the partition function. This function rearrange element in the array. It's place pivot element at its correct position and ensure that elements smaller than the pivot are on left and larger element are on the right. Okay, and the recursive quick sort, that is after finding the pivot, it's recursively sort the left element and right half. So let's run. So we are taking example of 10 7 8 9 1 5 array, that is we already write it here, that is the pivot is 5 here. Okay, and the partition is 1 5 8 9 10 7. Okay, so recursively sort 1 and then 8 9 10 7 gives 1 5 7 8 9 9 10. Okay, so we are taking a real world example, like quicksort is used in database system to organize large data set effectively, like sorting customer record by their name. So I will just zoom it out. I hope you get this code, like what it's write it here, and after running the code we get the sorted array, that is 1 5 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, the next one, that is heap sort. Okay, it's use a binary heap data structure which can be through of as a complete binary tree. The algorithm work in two main steps. The first one, that is build a max heap, and the second one is extract the large element. Extract the large element. Okay, so build a max heap means, in simple word, rearranging the array so that the largest value is at the root, and the extract the large element means the move the root to the end of the array and rebuild the heap. Okay, so again we are going to our editor. I already write that code, so I just remove it out and make it here, that it's basically, yeah, remove this console as well. Just remove the comment section and remove this comment as well, because we did not want this one, and remove this. Okay, so this is the code of heap sort. Basically ensure the heap property parent node are larger than their children, and first build the max heap and then extract the maximum value by moving the root to the end of reducing the heap. So let's run the code and we get 1 3 4 5 10. So we get the array of size 5, the array of 4 10 3 5 and 1. Okay, it's in this the max heap is 10 5 3 4 1. Okay, and then extract 10, we extracted the 10 and adjust it like 5 4 3 1, and then the final sort array is 1 3 4 5 and 10. Okay, so let's take a real world example of this, like it's used in a primary query and job scheduling system. Like if you want to schedule any type of job, you can use this, like or we can say heap sort in this. Okay, both quick sort and heap sort are crucial for optimizing performance in various applications. So keep practicing this concept, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, this YouTube channel for more such content. Bye bye. See you in the next one.